Students, so today our topic is tense. So first I will tell you about what is tense. So the tense of a verb show the time of an actions or event. Means from the verb we will come to know about which tense is this. For example, anything you can take. Uh, Example I will tell you about that. Like Pari is reading. Here reading, this is reading. From this we come to know that she is what she is now, what she is doing, she is reading. From this is our this is the this is this is the like she is reading means showing the action. From the action means what she is doing, she is reading, and now she is continue with that. That's why we will say this is our present continuous tense. Okay, and the word that tells us about the process of doing any action or event is known as a verb. The verb, just I tell you, reading, so that tell about what, that is the process of doing any action. Event is known as the verb. Okay, so tense is divided into three parts. Okay, that is our present tense, past tense, and the future tense. Present is a tense in which the action that is in the present, that is happening now, and that past which happened means the action which have completed in, that is the past. The action which will be take place in the future, that is called the future. Okay, so present indefinite tense again divided into four parts: simple present tense, simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. ठीक है. So first we will come to the this simple present tense. So simple present tense is what? It represent an action which is regular or normal. Means the action which is regular, like what, I go to school, like this. Okay, so this type of sentence that is used in the simple present tense. Okay, and we have in the identity of this present tense also. For in that we will see that the words that ta, te, ti. So mostly we will translate our English sentence into Hindi, and we come to know that this is the simple present tense. Okay, so he, she, it, and singular verb. विद वर्ब वी यूज़ एस एन ई एस. तो वर्ब के साथ हम जो है एस और ई एस लगाते हैं. ठीक है. एंड यू, वी, दे प्लूरल्स, प्लूरल है एंड वर्ब. इन दैट केस वी विल नॉट यूज दिस एस 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 एन ई एस. दिस will be not added to the verb in the I or you, we, they. Okay, so for example we will see Karishma eats fruits only. Here Karishma eats, this is a singular form, singular. So eat, so verb के साथ हमने जो है what we have s लगाया है. So Karishma eats fruits only. अगर I write here I eat, it will be eat. Okay, it will be eat. For example, I eat fruits, I eats fruits. So there we will not using s or es in this. Okay, let us take more example. We catch the bus every morning. So this is, we are talking about normal. So the action which is normally we use, okay, that is a regular. We catch the bus every morning, like this. We go to temple daily. So this is the regular one. Normally we are doing the action which is normally a regular, that is used in the present simple tense. Okay, so look at the structure also, where we are using this subject and verb first form and object. Okay, and in the singular form where we using he, she, it, in that case we use the verb and using SNES in this. Like for example, for the negative we use do not, do not, and in this he, she, it singular form we will use does. Okay, so in the in the interrogative, what we will do, we will take this do and does. So do subject and verb first form plus object, and does plus subject plus verb first form and object. Okay, so S for subject, V for the verb, and O for the object. Okay, so in this way we will make our sentences. So where we are using these, present indefinite tense is where it is used. So first we will see to describe habitual action. Habit means when we are telling about some or describing about the habit action, in that case we will use present indefinite tense, present or simple tense. Okay, for example, Ria gets up early in the morning. So this is the what, this is our habit. Ria gets up early in the morning. So in the morning, so this is an habit. Habit, she gets up. Okay, she gets up early in the morning. She always speaks the truth. So this is the habit. Okay, so to express journal, universal or scientific truth, when we are talking about like journally or universal truth which is true to एवरीवंस मीन्स एक ही मतलब सभी जगह वो हो, जैसे हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं दैट इज़ द सन राइजेस फ्रॉम द ईस्ट एंड इन द व्हेन वी गो इन अफ्रीका और अदर कंट्रीज दे विल आल्सो से द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, मीन्स सभी जगह एक ही जो है वी हैविंग वन, हम जो है एक ही राय बोल सकते हैं एंड दैट इज़ द दिस यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. ओके, सो द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. ओके, and scientific fact we are talking, and scientific fact truth that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So this is a scientific fact. Okay, scientific fact, in that case also we using present indefinite tense. Okay, to express a fact which is true at the time of the speaking means when we are talking at that moment, the whatever we are talking that is a true. For example, I will say that I live in Panipat, means at that moment मैं कहाँ रह रही हूँ, I live in Panipat. Okay, so that is an example. For example, you say Kapil lives in Mumbai. Okay, the express train does not stop at this station, means the time of the speaking we are telling that the express train does not stop at this station. And we are again to in describing running commentaries, when some matches are going on at that moments we are using present indefinite tense. For example, look at this, Raman passes the ball to Karna and he hits it into the goal. सो इन दिस वे व्हेन वी आर डूइंग कमेंट्री, जब हम कमेंट्री कर रहे होते हैं उस टाइम पे हमने प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस का प्रयोग करते हैं. सो इन दिस वे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर प्रेजेंट indefinite tense. Okay, so let us move to the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is what? It represents the action that are happening at the time of the speaking, means when we are talking at this moment. What I am doing now, I am teaching you grammar, I am teaching you tense. So this, so जिसमें we are continuing, you say for example I will say means for change your sentence into again Hindi, for I will tell you मैं आपको जो है टेंस पढ़ा रही हूँ, रहा हूँ, मीन्स दिस इन फ्रॉम दिस वर्ड्स वी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज, इन शब्दों से हम बड़े ही आसानी से जो है प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस की पहचान कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर योर सिंपल, ठीक है, मतलब रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द वी आर कैन means this is our present continuous tense, the action in which is continue now. Okay, in that case he, she, it and singular form, so we are using is here, and you, we, they and plural, with that we will use are. Okay, and I is a here I am. Okay, so in this way we will change our sentence. Look at this. So structure will be, what type of the structure we will having? Subject is mr plus verb first form plus ing and plus object. Means when we are making the present continuous tense, the form will be, the simple structure of this sentence will be like this. You can say Riya is painting a picture. So Riya is painting a picture. Riya is painting. So she is doing what? She is painting a picture. So this is subject, and this is a helping verb, and this is our main verb. This is our main verb, and this is our object. Okay, so when we are changed into negative, so it will be changed into what? Riya is not painting a picture. And in this way we are making the sentence, interrogative sentence, is Riya painting a picture. Okay, so I have given another example. Sana is playing the sitar. Sana is not playing the sitar. Sana playing, is here it will be is Sana playing the sitar. Okay, so in this way we have changed our sentences. So where we are used this present continuous tense, where we are using, so where we use it, shows what is happening now at the time of the writing or speaking. Means लिखते समय, बोलते समय जो है हम जो भी actions हो रहा है, that is a continue. For example, Shubham is studying in his room. What he is doing now? He is doing, Shubham is studying in his room. At the time of speaking, मेरे बोलने के समय वो क्या कर रहा है? शुभम क्या है? पढ़ाई कर रहा है. कहाँ कर रहा है? अपने रूम में. But his brother Arun is playing in the garden. पर जो उसका भाई है वो क्या कर रहा है? प्ले कर रहा है. कहाँ कर रहा है? गार्डन में. Okay, so this is the way to express an action which may not be actually going on at the same time of the speaking, but it is going on in journal. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ऐसा भी होता है कि ना, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि हम कि जो है हम घर बना रहे हैं, और यू कैन से कि आई एम राइटिंग ए बुक, मतलब एट दैट मोमेंट आप तो क्लास में प्रेजेंट हो अभी. सो व्हाट आप लिख रहे हो, यू आर कंटिन्यू विद दैट. इन दैट केस ऑल्सो वी यूज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. मीन्स लाइक आरती, what she is? Aarti is building a new house. She is building, but now she is not building now. Means the work is continue. 24 घंटे हम काम नहीं करते, दिन में काम करते, रात को तो रेस्ट करते हैं. फिर भी हम जो है क्या बोलेंगे कि आरती घर बना रही है. Okay, to express an action which is like to happen in near future. Means कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम जो है action that is used, for example I will say you, my brother is coming next week. Okay, so my brother is coming next week. So this is next week is what? That is in the future, not now, but he is coming. So in that case also we used our this, my brother is coming next week. So this is in the future, he is coming to the future one. Okay, next week. So in this case also we use present continuous tense. I am going to Karnal tomorrow. Means that is happening in the future, but for that present continuous we are using in this. Okay, so I think you have cleared present indefinite tense and the present continuous tense. Okay, so this is for your today. Thank